In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books, whether you're a newbie or simply need a refresher on how to create insightful reports. Let me guide you step by step through this process. The first thing you need to do is head over to Zoho Books. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you do so. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, you'll notice a tab labeled Reports on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will direct you to the Reports section of Zoho Books, where you'll have access to a wide variety of pre-made reports that you can view and customize. If you need help locating a specific report, don't worry. There's a handy search bar on this page that allows you to quickly find the exact report you're looking for. Simply click on the search bar, type in the name or type of report, and the results will appear. Now, if none of the standard reports meet your specific needs, you can create a new one. Click on the Create New Report button, and you'll be prompted to choose a module. The module relates to the specific area of your books you want to report on, such as invoices, expenses, or sales. After selecting a module, it's important to choose a parent module if that option is available to further refine your report. Once you've picked your modules, go ahead and click on the Next button. You're now ready to set a date range. This is crucial, especially if you're preparing reports for particular periods. Select the date range that best suits your reporting needs and proceed to choose a Group By option. This will help in organizing the data, so it's summarized in a way that's most useful to you. After sorting that out, click Next again to proceed to the next stage where you choose available columns. These columns will dictate what data appears in your report, such as names, dates, amounts, etc. Select the columns that are pertinent to your needs and click Add to include them in your report layout. Next, you can focus on the report layout, where you can format how your data is visually presented. This customization can make a significant difference in the readability and the usefulness of the report. After setting up the layout, click Next to move on. Now it's time to give your report a name. Type in the report name of your choice. This step is crucial, as naming your report accurately makes it easier to identify in the future. Finally, click on Save Custom Report and you've successfully created a custom report in Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've just learned how to find, create, and run reports in Zoho Books. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make the process second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!